According to Hume, our sense of self is not a unified permanent entity, but rather a collection of ever changing perceptions, sensations, and experiences. He believed that our perception of self arises from the constant flow of mental states and events that we experience throughout our lives. These mental states and events can include thoughts, emotions, memories, and perceptions, among other things. Hume argued that there is no fixed, unchanging core of self that exists independently of these mental states and events. Instead, the self is nothing more than a bundle or collection of them. He used the analogy of a bundle of sticks to illustrate his point. Just as a bundle of sticks is made up of individual sticks that are held together, the self is made up of individual mental states and events that are interconnected and held together by our consciousness. Hume's bundle theory of the self challenges the traditional notion of a fixed, enduring self that exists independently of our experiences and perceptions. Instead, he suggests that the self is constantly changing and evolving as we experience new things and have new perceptions. This idea has important implications for our understanding of the nature of self and identity, as well as for our understanding of human consciousness and the mind body problem.